Hey, what's up guys, this is ProWolfTrader. You're watching a live stream in New York session. Today is Friday 23rd May. I hope everybody is doing fine and great. We have a lots of stuff that has happened and is happening currently. Bitcoin has made all-time high and we saw a drop after just right now, like an half an hour ago. Then Donald Trump announced that they are thinking of putting a 50% tariff on EU. We sent the Bitcoin down, and Bitcoin is right now in a nice area to buy back after a short sell. Currently the price is holding off at 108,000 and rising at the moment. Gold also saw a spark up and it's been rising since Tokyo session. If you want to stay updated, join the premium. All you have to do is message on the Telegram and you will be get updated regarding whatsoever. All the details will be posted over there. Anyways, all the trades were shared and are being shared as usually, although the stream is not regular, but the signals are being provided in the group. And in this Tokyo session, in today's Tokyo session, the signals were provided and we are in a long just like we were yesterday on a short. And some of our friends who joined us in the London session, they joined in the mid. They are also in profit, so everybody is profitable. We are looking at least 300 to 400 pips today. We already made quite significant profit, so we are up for the day. As for right now, I can see gold forming up some rejections. This is a nice area to get in. Coming back to Bitcoin right now, there is this order block currently being in the area of 107 to 108, and a huge amount of short sellers entered over here and they exited approximately around this demand zone, and now we are moving back up. If you want to stay updated with everything, join the premium subscription and stay updated 24/7 around on the clock, whatever that is happening in the crypto, forex, commodity, whatsoever. As of now, if you have any questions, you can ask me up straight on the point. As of now, the sound of money is ringing. Bitcoin is moving back up. This is a nice area to hold a buy. Of course, you need a really strong heart to enter a buy over here, because move drops like this, short sell doesn't come in all the time. So looking at a 15-minute time frame, 15-minute hold it off quite well. All we have to do is wait now, let the time play. We still have 35 minutes for the New York session to open, New York Stock Exchange. So let's see what the big boys in the Wall Street brings up. As of now, this drop has opened up quite an opportunity for the buybacks, and let's see where we go from over here. As of now, coming back to gold has been going smoothly. Gold trading, alhamdulillah, is going smoothly. No, don't have to overwork, don't have to worry about gold that much. All you have to do is wait for a drop and then buy. Buying and selling is quite on point. Looking for opportunities right now. As soon as the opportunities arises, we gonna enter a buy on gold. As of now, we are already on a buy. If a further opportunity arises for the people watching the live stream, I will. And for those who gonna watch the recorded live stream, I hope this today's stream might help you guys. I will try to regularly stream from tomorrow onwards. Yes, Bitcoin, because I've been sick, really sick for a long time, and it was serious. And I will try to take rest and do the streams whatsoever. I will try to be consistent from now onwards. Coming back to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is rising above Yeah, so as I was saying, the price of gold and the price of Bitcoin, the price of the stock market with the along with the forex market, everything is correlated, right? But why suddenly the impact of political statements, geopolitical scenarios, tariffs, bond yields, 10-year, 30-year, 20-year, 5-year, 2-year, how is everything collapsing? People are saying dollar will become this, dollar will be that, US is collapsing, BRICS is going up. I mean, what do? I smack my head against the wall. The answer is, baby, relax, pick up. No need to do everything at the same time. If you do oil trading, stick with oil. If you do Forex, if you do gold, Bitcoin, just pick something and just sit down and relax. And if you're somebody like me who understands everything and do everything at the same time while being mentally and physically sane, then buckle up. We have a right to go. And here's this thing: we are seeing huge volatility, and volatility all the time. I've been saying volatility all this time. Last year too, during Biden tenure, I see the volume and volatility is there, but it acts differently. So we have volatility, but is acting differently. It's an animal whose behavior is different. Now, how do you differentiate between something which is extremely volatile and then nothing is happening at the same time? Look at this, for example, your daily day. One day is a bull market, the other day is a bear market. Look at gold. I've been sitting and trading gold quite often. Okay, look at the ways. Let me show you. I could not stream, yeah, but I was trading. I was keeping update. This is the our trade history. Is dropping. This was the drop over here, 3150 around somewhere. We bought the dip. We were happy. This was the last time I remember I was streaming too. I streamed over here on my stream and then I could not stream. I became sick too, but I was working. And and even when I passed away the signal, I said if this is the trade that people will, if they hold on for till Monday, when the market opens on Monday, they will be glad. And that's what's been happening. People had like they have their trades running. Some of them took the profit, some of them opened multiple layers. But in short, we are going towards to back to 3500. Why? Because tariff is something which you take advantage of. You just don't sit back. Listen, we don't know where the market will be, okay? We don't know, nobody knows that, but we all know their destination. We don't know about the journey, but we do know about the destination. So just make up your plan and then be done with it. Okay, now our today's intraday trade, Tokyo trade is still running. The London trade is still running. And if anybody who hasn't opened a buy, it's alright, wait for the price to drop down. If you are on a sell, good luck. But I would again say, like I said in my last previous stream, there is an easy trade, then there is a hard trade. You make that choice up upon yourself. You want to take the hard trade or the easy. The hard trade in this scenario is a sell trade, where you see the market is on an uptrend formed by the higher high, higher low, higher high. You want to take the sell, take it. It's a hard trade with a little bit of set off. And then if you want to take the easy trade, then you wait for the drop. Oh, if I have to wait for the drop, then why I should sell? No. Here's this thing. If it doesn't drop, it just decides to keep on going up, then what will you do? Oh, in that case, I won't be able to take a buy. No, in that case, you will be in a better position to take a buy. Now I am on a 15 minute. Okay, like I said previously, I was using 5 minute. Now I'm using 15 minute. But when I will take the entry, I will go in a 5 minute. But for physical, for the representation of the chart, I'm on a 15 minute time frame. Now we are on the clock. Okay. About 28 minutes, about 18 minutes later, we gonna when the New York Stock Exchange will open, we will have a clear picture. Gold is declining till then. Intraday, open up. Let's go deep. 5 minutes. We have a time frame window. This is New York open. Wait for it to drop down till New York open. Then enter a buy. You have your zones, okay? You have your areas. No need to overthink about anything. You have a trade setup and jump in. In this case, this was Tokyo. Tokyo went up. Okay, then we have a sideways consolidating range. Tokyo had a sideways consolidating range, and now we have an uptrend continuation. Since the tariff has been announced, and we have a Monday because it's weekend, so and today is Friday too at the same time, and of course second last week of the month. So somewhat we are in a better position that the price will tend to rise further upwards. For that we have a plan. We will wait for a support area around this zone 33.50. If this area holds off, then we will buy over here. Just like I drew this trend line. This trend line is a strong trend line, okay? It's been holding and it's been holding off quite well. And it wouldn't be wrong if I drew it like this. And here we have it. Anybody who took this signal on the group with me in the London session, nice. Tokyo, early bird. As I said, if you want to make big money, start waking up in the Tokyo session. If you want big profits, that's the harsh reality. If you want small fishes but reasonable fishes, wake up in London, and wait for the New York, let the big fish come. Right now, this is the area of interest for me. If let's just say I am entering a buy, I entered a buy, okay? My stop loss, up to you. I am taking a $10 stop loss. My stop loss, let's just say in this case is 33.45. My take profit, I am aiming for 3400, okay? In short, if this thing hits up, I'm seeing a $500 pip profit. 500 is a lot, but for me, I know it will happen during the New York session. Okay, here I have it. This is my window. My risk to reward, how much is this? I am risking around 100 pip, right? I'm risking 100 pips. So, but in return, I'm getting 500 pips. So, this is 1:5. I'm okay with that. I'm talking about myself right now. This is my trade plan, okay? I'm taking a risk of 100 pips. I'm seeking a reward for 500 pips. I will hold on to this trade as long as I'm not gonna close it. I'm not gonna pussy chicken out. I opened this trade and I'm in this trade. That's how I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this trade like a man. I'm gonna man up. So this is how you make up your mind and you go along with it, because you don't think too much. If you think too much, you die. Okay, during New York session, we have a clear understanding. You have a trend line. What else you need? Alright, we have it. Let's go. From Tokyo to New York, baby. And what's the worst that can happen? I say all the time, it hits my stop loss. Now it's okay. It's okay. But it's you should understand what should be your lot size. We following up with the guys. We are back to back, baby. We are on a nice cozy ride. Our trades are still running. No need to rush. Even over here, I'm saying, even in the middle of the New York session on a day like Friday, where fucking things go I'm telling you, I'm buying over here. Live, baby, I'm live trading on my account. No, majority of the people are selling now. Huh? I'm not in a view. Tariffs has been announced. Where do you see the gold price up? Baby, up. It's gonna hit 3400 before the market closes. Tariff is gonna create panic. Enough for the people to understand what's about to come. Panic moves the market. Traders, poor trade psychology move the market. Price action, what is price action itself? Price action is a cluster of trades formed up by the mere decision of humans based on emotional instability in what do you say, in search of profit. You have news coming in and then they try to jump up. Anyways, 33.55 the price. Let's go, baby. What you seek is right in front of you. Let's go. Oh yeah, also Bitcoin. I cannot miss Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also going up. I'm bullish on the Bitcoin. I opened a buy over here. I'm scalping Bitcoin now, so for those who... Let's go! If it is stop loss, if gold is stop loss, it's okay. We will live with it. But unlikely. This thing will rocket. Let's just say that if it does hit a stop loss over here, I will take and buy over here again. But I haven't seen gold drop that much. Not that much, especially around this time. It drops down, comes back up so fast, like it's nothing. But even then, I can extend the stop loss. It's up to me. So whatever you do, don't copy me. I'm live streaming. And yeah, once more thing, the stop losses which I'm sharing over here are not the same stop losses which I'm providing on the signal group. Keep that in your mind. Don't try to copy me. If I put the stop loss over here and I see I'm seeing a mere drop and a rug pull or whatever you wanna say, a liquidity, I can extend it because I've been holding off these trades. I can somehow manage it. So whatever you're doing, do it on your own. I know this is the stop loss. I will stick to it. Whatever your trade plan is, you follow it. Mine normally is $10. If I change my mind, I extend it, there must be a reason. But majority of the time, I stick with the plan. Especially right now when the tariffs have been announced, there is no way I'm going to hold a sell. See this? This is what I was talking about, the rug pull. Just waiting for the green. Every bearish candle in a 5-minute time frame is a bullish opportunity. It's like these are the entry area. The entire area can be an entry area. Let me just minimize this. This entire area can be an entry area. In short, this entire area is a buy area. Because a sideway formation, right? Just like over here. As soon as it breaks and goes above, it's history. Then easy 3400. Exactly, that's what's happening. Easy. Let the stock market open and it will open your eyes. 7-8 minutes. This is why I say, whatever I do, I know what I'm doing. Whatever you do, you should know what you're doing. If you follow me blindly, I'm going in the jungle. I know how to survive. Anyways, long story short, 1 minute 38 seconds left for the time frame to open up a new 5-minute candle. So let's go, baby, let's go. All I see is a bullish. It will be a bullish run. Today, it will be just simple as just up and away. Just like Bitcoin. This will also go up. Middle finger to everybody. Easy fucking bullish Friday. Today is a bullish Friday. Bullish Friday. Just a casual bullish Friday. So coming back to Bitcoin, yeah. I have few friends were messaging me, oh, you have Bitcoin trade. I sold Bitcoin. What should I do? I had a stop loss. It's going up again. My stop loss hit on sell. Baba, why you fucking sell is over? So this was short sell is over now. Going back up. Poof. What can you do? Nothing. Understand this. And if you don't understand this concept, rally base rally, then who will tell you? Who will tell them? Rally base rally base. The first base when it's forming like this, you don't know that. But once if the rejection comes up, you know that it's as a base. So we might see a sideways range. So this is how it goes, and we might see just go up again straight, like nothing ever happened again. So there are several sides to the picture. And going back to gold, yes, I haven't left you. Our entry area on this was 55 and currently price is 49. It's okay. Let it be. I'm extending it to 40. Okay, 150. Okay, I can take it. More trades running. So do this. My stop loss previously was over here, right? You know what? Here's this thing. Let me adjust my stop loss is same like 33.45. Let's take a double entry somewhere around here when we see the rejection. We will enter a buy over here too, because every drop is a nice buy opportunity. Especially in New York time, you have to enter at an area where we will see liquidation grab. Since for me, I'm already in profit, so I can afford. Okay, stop loss hit. So my stop loss hit. Okay. Now I can say, okay, my stop loss is hit. No, it's not hit. Almost about to. But anyways, mine is 45. This is not precisely 45. Now it is. Then this doesn't matter. In order, the thing is to understand over here is where will you enter and where will you exit and where will the price go up. This entire area can be bought. This was a trend line. We took the risk. Risk was 100 pip. Reward was 500 pip. Let's imagine it didn't plan out. It's okay. Plan another trade. That's how you do it. Because that's how it is. It went on the trend line and it bounced back up. It didn't at this time. So maybe it will. Majority of the time, it does a false breakout and then goes up in a mere blink of an eye, a huge candle. Merely few, like it's so close to our stop loss, didn't hit. Seeing possible rejection, we also have this. So there is no give and take. This is why we say you risk what you can afford to risk, and then you go with the flow. That's how you do it. Trading is not just about opening and closing trade, it's about understanding the risk that involves with it, the human emotion and everything else. This entire area plus New York session, this session, that session. Just let me open this. You see, this is New York. This area is strong, right? We're going back up now. Close it. This is how you do it. Enter now. If you have any issues, enter now. This is how you do it. Race to reward. This is why they say race to reward. Going back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is chillax for the day. What's up? कैसे हो चीगी? What's up? तबीयत ठीक नहीं है अभी, बाद में चक्कर लगाऊंगा. अभी हाई फीवर है, हाई फीवर बेहतर है लेकिन आ गया, बस आना नहीं चाहिए था, आ गया हूँ. बस लाइव स्ट्रीम करके भागूंगा दोबारा. Okay, so gold just dropped down and it hit our stop loss. Live stream trade, by the way, not the one on the groups and everything and everywhere else. 33.45 was the stop loss. Now I said the same time I can extend the loss or whatsoever, but here's this thing. This area around our stop loss, now those who are familiar with me know that the stop loss is the area where I normally take my next trade. The next trade, which most likely for me in 80% of 87% of the time, if my stop loss hit, it will be the same area, the price will bounce back. So like usually I take 2 to 3 trades around that. Normally if I took a one trade, for example, I will take one additional trade around that zone to recover the previous loss, which which is in this case is 100 pips, and then so that the next couple of trades that we get, we can cover up the profits for the day. Now price is declining towards the area of Fibonacci key golden zone, which in this case is 33.31. If this area holds off as a better area of support, we will enter a long, and our take profit will extend from 500 to how much? 800 pips. Then if let's just say from 33.31, 700 pips. If from 33.31 we hit 3400, this is almost 1100 pips. So this is how I will look forward to the area where I likely have in my mind that okay, I will take a 700 pip. By the way, I'm talking, look at Bitcoin, it just pumped up, easy profit. So this is why I say if you can trade more than gold, more stuff, gold, oil, Bitcoin, trade it. This is best opportunity. People were messaging me, I told them to open gold along with buy on Bitcoin. They are profitable on Bitcoin. Hula, let it be. Gold will also go up, don't worry. Go give some time, it will come. Normally it will come back to this sideways range, consolidating range, which will act as a support and will bounce back up. We will enter a buy over here, no worry, we'll cover the small 100 pip loss over here. At the same time our trade is running profitable over here. What's to worry? Never put all the eggs in the same basket. Heard about it, right? That's how you move. This is for the live stream. Just things are differently on in our groups. Okay, so here we are again. Just came back. Oh yeah, as I was speaking, I'm just waiting for the 5 minute closure. Bitcoin, baby, Bitcoin. Let it go. I think we are in a good area for a buy structure on gold. Just waiting for it to close. But this area would seem like a better area to enter. But yeah, this is after a long time on the live stream. Got hit by stop loss, but it's alright. We can take that. The other trade on Bitcoin is going good. Far better than expected. Far better. Gold is getting tired, I think. That's what's happening. Gold is getting tired. Just 46 seconds more, then we'll know where it's headed. Bitcoin is not even worried and bothered. It's just up and away. Up and away. It will be good. It will be back up over here. At least 112. 100 and it will touch 115 today. For sure. For sure. 17 seconds more. Come on, gold. Let's go up, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah, and we have it over here. Let's go. At least another 5 minutes we have to wait. Then after the closure of this, then we will enter a buy. We can enter now. Take our profits over here. Come out. It's up to you. Since I know that we are in between the golden zone, so I am waiting. Golden zone is acts always like a magnet, so it can like go up like this. Hold on a second, I'll be right back. So yeah, we are up now. If anybody would have taken an entry from here, he's already up on like 50-60 pips. But this was a explanation of the area where we would likely enter. But as I said, that let this 5 minute complete, then we'll enter on the next 5 minute time frame, because this area acts like a magnet for the golden zone. Now we have a clear area where we can enter again. In this given case, 3346 is a nice area to enter. But for a clear and vibrant understanding, give it a few minutes. Little baby. This was the area where some dear fellows took the trade. 31. One of the guy, he put the stop loss at 31. Okay, good for you. Okay, the next new 5 minute is up. Now wait for it. Wait for the red and then enter. Normally the entry would be like 33, 45, 44, 43. In between 42 to 45. Take it, okay? And put the stop loss somewhere around this. Now it would seem like, holy shit, 120 pip profit loss. Risk. Also look, we are aiming towards 700 pip profit, brah. 700. We have 700 fucking pips profit against risk, which is 110 pips. Our first trade was 100 pip, it got hit, so we took another over here. Not just once but twice. One trade we took over here, as soon as it will come over here, we will close it, so we can come out of our bad trade. Other trade which you took over here, we will let it go. We'll let it run till the end of the New York session. If it doesn't hit 3400, then what do you think will happen? We already have announcement of EU 50% tariff, right? What do you think is gonna happen? Things gonna go up? So, have a mind. For a trader, you need to have a sight and a sight. Now this is twice I said sight. Sight for the future and sight for the present. We cannot see the future, but we can see it at the same time. We cannot see it, but we can see it. We all know it's gonna go up when it dropped over here, but we were tagging along the way. So this is why I say we need to have a sight and sight. We can see the destination and then we take our steps towards that destination. These are steps that we're taking. This is why we are near to the destination. Just like that. This is how we will move. And it goes up, baby. Bitcoin is going up. And we have a lift off. What's happening on gold? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Nice. This is good, isn't it? Exciting. And yeah, Bitcoin is smooth as easy peasy. I'm not even worried about Bitcoin, but over here, yeah. No, not even worried here. Just I know this is gonna lift off just like previously. It's just break this. It's gonna break the resistance and no 3400 like it. Nothing happened. Pretty much everybody will be like, what the hell? I wish I had a open. It's Friday, man. Everybody is being in this psychology that is Friday. Friday is gonna dump, and then those poor lads are gonna get disappointed when the market will touch 3400 before the bell closes. And on Monday open, ooh la, we have tariff 50%, baby. Monday, if it open up with a gap of $30, we might even see all-time high on gold next week. Dang, it's crazy world, isn't it? We have all-time. This is just like Biden era. All-time high on gold, all-time high on Bitcoin, all-time high on stock market. Everything is all-time high. Even NAS 100 is just get in and destroy everything. Yup. Then 6 minutes left for the 1 hourly candle. Then we're gonna ride the next candle to all the way up to the London close, baby. London close an hour. And as soon as the London closes, that's when the fun starts and the candle goes up and away to the moon. We go to the moon. We go to the moon and moon. Yeah, I'm sick. If you're wondering why I'm going act crazy. Probably. But boom, boom, boom. So we have a really nice area. And we are liking it. God dang, profit looks good, baby. And then it goes up and up and up. Already been an hour and 10 minutes since I started live streaming. Go away, gold, and go away. And we have, as I say, as soon as you see a red, you get in. Still here.